So this video is showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin here in Canada using Robinhood. So once the Robinhood app is open, go to the bottom and right in the middle, select on the magnifying glass icon. Now once you're on the Explore page right here, you can find Bitcoin a bunch of different ways. You can go to where it says trending list right here. You can go to market cap. You can go to volume. Bitcoin should be at the top as it does have the highest market cap. You can then select it, or if it's not there, or you just want to go to the search bar, you can type in Bitcoin or ticker symbol BTC, select it, and then it'll bring you to this page. So once you guys are on this page right here, the Bitcoin page, you can scroll down to where it says buy and press that. Then on this page, you can go to the top right and choose your market order type. So there's market orders in Bitcoin or there's market orders in Canadian dollars. So we'll just go ahead and keep it at Canadian dollars. Then type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $4 worth for an example, you would just press on 4. And then in the middle, press review. You can then review the order here so you can check out how much Bitcoin you're buying, how much fees are going to be charged for you, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, you can go to the bottom, swipe up to submit the order, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Bitcoin here in Canada using Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.